What's up guys, another day, another leak. We have the Samsung Galaxy S10e coming out in the official pictures as well. The Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus were leaked yesterday. We took a look at how the design was and how the colors were. But now the attention is all on the Samsung Galaxy S10e, the cheaper S10 variant, aka the S10 Lite. Apparently, it's going to be called as Samsung Galaxy S10e. So right off the bat, you can see it is a cute little Galaxy. We have a 5.8-inch display, but because of its extremely thin bezels, it's having a really nice overall screen to body ratio, so it's gonna fit really nicely in hand. If we take a look at the front of the display, we have an infinity hole on the right, similarly to the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but the difference here is that it's not an edge display. It is a flat infinity display. It's been a while that Samsung has launched a flagship level flat infinity display. The last flat screen flagship phone was indeed the Galaxy S7, so this one is coming back with that warrior glory, and it's looking pretty good because this display will be the same as the S10 and S10 Plus, meaning this will be an OLED display with Quad HD resolution. Samsung won't be holding anything back with their cheaper model. The display quality is said to be as good as the S10 and S10 Plus. Only the difference is that it's having thicker side bezels and no edge on the side. And in comparison to S10 and S10 Plus side by side, they definitely look more futuristic thanks to that edge display. The infinity hole on the front of the Galaxy S10e will actually have the same front camera as the Galaxy S10. If you take a look at the back, we have two cameras compared to the three on the S10 and S10 Plus. These two cameras are actually wide and ultra wide angle lenses. The lens that is missing here is the telephoto lens, which you will find on the normal S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus. So a little bit difference there. You're losing on the telephoto lens and you're also losing on the in-display fingerprint scanner, because the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the first Samsung Galaxy S flagship phone to rock a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. Yes, you can't see the power button because it's very similar to that Galaxy J6 Plus Infinity phone that I reviewed a couple of months ago, so it's kind of embedded in the body so it doesn't stick out. That's why it looks like this phone has no power button, but it actually does have a power button with fingerprint reader inside. Towards the left, you can see the volume rocker and a Bixby key, which is similar to the S10 and S10 Plus. And just like the other two models, the S10e will be made available in pearl white, emerald green, and black color. It's been mentioned in the report that later on we'll see a canary yellow color along with a blue version. As for the pricing, the Samsung Galaxy S10e is expected to launch at 750 euros, which is about $850 US. And the table right now that you can see on the screen is actually the full leaked Galaxy S10 family specification. S10e definitely does provide a lot of value for its price, and it's going to compete against the iPhone XR. And with this current specification, I think it's going to blow that phone out of the water. Everything is on point here. The battery sizes could be a little bit less than this expected table battery sizes, so 3500 mAh for the S10 could be 3300, and 3100 for Samsung Galaxy S10e could be 3000. Again, that's not completely confirmed. So Samsung Galaxy S10e with its brand new design giving you those flagship perks at a cheaper price compared to the S10 and S10 Plus, I think it's going to be a great thing for the market. I can't wait to see how this thing will perform. I really want to hear your thoughts on this Samsung Galaxy S10e design. And also, there's been a new video leak. Well, not really a video, it was actually posted on Samsung Vietnam YouTube channel, and it's really interesting for a lot of reasons. Mainly is that it actually shows a foldable phone. A lot of people think that this is the foldable phone that Samsung is most likely to unveil at the official event. So I've reviewed the video, and it's basically all about the Samsung future concept technology. First up is this guy that is actually moving his hands in front of this giant Samsung screens. This is actually just to show you the ability of AR. Samsung will be implementing its TOF sensor on the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G variant, so that will allow you to do 3D things like that, implement clothes on an object, in 3D ways. So it's a really good. It it utilizes the AR power for that. And then we have this sketch artist, which is doing some sketching on this concept phone. As you can see, it is like a truly bezel-less phablet. And then also he gave the command and this machine is actually performing the tattoo. So this is some next level concept stuff. And then it comes to this girl which is holding this foldable phone. And if you look at it, it's like a bezel-less phone which opens up to become a bigger tablet. And this is actually very different compared to what Samsung showed off at the SDI conference. So I believe this is a future concept, but it does look very good. And then comes this, which is very interesting. We have Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Yes, Note 9, as you can see the dual cameras on the back. They have a device attached to it at the bottom that is actually checking the pregnancy of this woman. You can actually see the baby at the image as well. It's definitely looking a lot futuristic. And then we have these kids playing with this bezel-less phone. This is the future of Samsung design. Eventually we have camera and everything under the display, and once that happens, this is how the future Infinity will look. And this is pretty much a whole concept video. A lot of people think that this is the foldable phone that Samsung will show off, but in my opinion, the foldable phone will most likely be similar to the phone that they actually showed off at the stage, which is actually a 7.3-inch tablet that transforms into a 4.6-inch phone. All in all, it's a very futuristic concept kind of video from Samsung, and it's definitely creating a lot of buzz. Anyways, that's all we have on the current Samsung news. Samsung Galaxy S10e official press renders are here, along with its official colors, which are similar to the S10 and S10 Plus. In addition to these colors, we could see the yellow as well as blue color with all the variants in the near future as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for daily tech coverage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.